Hey everyone, welcome back to my orchid garden. Today, I'm going to share an amazing trick to help your orchids grow stronger, healthier, and more vibrant than ever. My orchid's leaves are rotting. Let's remove the yellow leaves. We'll remove the old moss and soil to give the orchid a fresh, healthy start. Hey, orchid lovers, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. The orchid seems to have a lot of root rot. Rinse your orchid thoroughly with clean water. Cutting off rotten roots is essential because they can spread disease, attract harmful bacteria, and prevent the orchid from absorbing water and nutrients properly. No worries if the language seems tricky. Our videos have subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. Let's finely chop the ginger. You know what? Ginger is like a secret weapon for orchids. It fights off bacteria and fungus, helps roots grow faster, and even boosts the plant's immunity. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Let the solution sit for 25 minutes. They're packed with vitamins and natural growth hormones that help orchids develop strong roots and beautiful leaves. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Filter the solution through rails. Let's dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of water. It will help the plant not go into shock. Let's mix it with the soaked ginger water. We'll dip a cotton pad into the solution and gently wipe the orchid. This helps clean the leaves and roots while allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients better. Soak it for 30 minutes. Wiping the plant again helps it dry out properly, preventing excess moisture that could lead to rot. We'll use cinnamon to help dry out the wounds and protect the plant. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to prevent infections and rot in orchids. Soak the moss in the freshly prepared solutio. Let soaking it in 20 minutes. Squeeze out the excess liquid from the moss. After soaking, the moss absorbs nutrients and moisture, making it much easier for the orchid to establish itself and grow healthier when planted. The remaining solution won't go to waste. Let's use it to care for other orchids together. We'll wipe the orchid like this twice a week to prevent rot. This is my orchid garden after caring for the plants with this method. The orchid has shown impressive root development after 4 weeks. The roots appear fresh, firm, and plump, with a healthy green and white coloration. New root tips are emerging, a great sign of a thriving and well-adjusted orchid. And that's it for today's orchid care session. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more orchid growing secrets. Got any questions or want to share your orchid progress? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.